what is up? This is Kajal. Welcome back to my channel. So last week was really very productive. I uploaded like 2 videos in a week, which is a lot for a girl with 2 brain cells. Ew, why did I say that? But that productive Kajal only lasted for a week because I'm back to my unproductive phase and I'm literally, I do not have any work to do. Like I don't do anything, but still it takes a lot for me to film a video. Even though I love filming, I don't know what is happening to me. I don't know what's. Just ignore that. But now I've decided that I will upload at least one video in a week, and I will decide a particular day in which I will have to upload a video, and I think that is gonna be Friday. So yeah, Friday is my day. Ignore this flower because it's a fake flower. Don't think that I don't water it and it's ugly. It's just fake flower. That is why it is looking like that. What I was saying, as you have read by the title, I am going to recreate cute Pinterest outfits. I don't know मैं title क्या रखने वाली हूँ, but I think यही होने वाला है. Sure, many people know about Pinterest. Like it is the most aesthetic app ever. I don't know if that makes sense, but Pinterest has been my fashion inspo for so long. Like yeah, I have been following it for quite a year now. Like for more than 2-3 years. Yeah. So and Pinterest outfits are the best thing in the world. Like some DIY outfits, some aesthetic vintage, many more. So obviously I do not have like all of them. Like it is not going to be like 10 on 10, but yeah, I will try to recreate the aesthetic of the photo, the pose of the photo. I have specifically chosen those outfits जो मेरे पास थोड़ा बहुत ही मिल सकती है घर पे, लाइक एंड दोज पोजेज जो मैं घर सेल्फ टाइम में सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट या फिर घर पे ही कर सकती हूँ. बिकॉज एज वी ऑल आर इन क्वारंटीन, वी कांट रियली गो आउटसाइड. आई एम फॉलोइंग क्वारंटीन एंड आई एम अवॉइडिंग गोइंग आउट एंड यू शुड टू स्टे सेफ एवरीवन. कोई आउटफिट ऐसे भी होंगे जिसमें कलर मैच नहीं करेगा, तो डोंट कॉल मी आउट ऑन दैट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव ऑल ऑफ दैम. आई डोंट इवन हैव एन ऑप्शन टू गो आउटसाइड एंड बाय सम आउटफिट सिमिलर टू द पिक्चर आई एम गोइंग टू recreate. Because like yeah, as I said, I'm avoiding going out. So the thing we are focusing is aesthetic, pose, little bit of location. Like obviously location तो घर के अंदर जितना is very limited. Let's see मैं कैसा काम मतलब how will it turn out. I don't know. Obviously I will edit it to the closest filter I could get to make it similar to the picture I'm going to recreate. Stick around if you want to see the behind the scenes, the poses and how the picture turned out. What is this one? She is wearing a bandana top. I'm also wearing a bandana top. Let me know if you want to know how I DIY'd it. Also the same ponytail, the same hoops. Just hers is golden and mine is simple silver. And I also did some little bit makeup, not that great. It's not visible here that much. Maybe we will go outside, it will be visible then. Okay, so let's click pictures. Obviously the color is not same because as I told you, I'm focusing on the static plus poses of the pictures. So yeah, let's just go. थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप तो आई डोंट नो दिख भी रहा है कि नहीं, बट या आई डिड अ लिटिल बिट मेकअप एंड जस्ट इग्नोर द आईलाइनर बिकॉज आई नो ये बहुत ही नूब आईलाइनर है. बट विंग तो क्या नॉर्मल आईलाइनर भी नहीं लग रहा था मेरे साथ. आई डोंट नो माय हैंड्स आर नॉट वर्किंग टुडे. My everything, you felt something new. You were scared to tell me how you love me and show me the devil in you. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Okay guys, so the next picture is this one. You can look at it like how aesthetic is this picture. Like the plus point is she's not showing her face, तो मेरे face को ज़्यादा effort नहीं करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. And second cheese is she is holding a wine glass. I do have a wine glass, but I will fill it with a Coke because I don't drink tea. And the third thing is she is wearing an oversized shirt, and I have this shirt which is the most similar to hers. Though she is looking cute as Tinkerbell in this shirt, but I am looking like a abandoned girl. I don't know why. एंड लोकेशन मैं फर्स्ट ट्राई तो ऊपर जाके ही रहेगा. in front of the window because natural lighting लग रही है सारी picture में, so I should always sit in front of the natural lighting. If it is not good, then I'll come back here. And the third thing is, you can see she's showing a little bit leg. I don't know if it is her knees or not. Looking at it, you can guess that she is wearing jeans. So to give that teeny part of justice, I wore a jeans. उस चीज़ के लिए मैंने जीन्स पहनी. सो आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड अप्रिशिएट मी बिकॉज वेयरिंग जीन्स एट होम इज़ अ स्पोर्ट.
Time from side to side, without you by my side, my side.
So the next picture is this one. She's smiling, and that is the main concern because my smile is not this cute. So the closest outfit I could get to this was this, and the previous shirt was my brother's shirt, and this t-shirt is also his. I'm going to shoot this here only because she has a पीछे एक plain background, and since black and white पे डालना ही पड़ेगा तो it doesn't matter कि background कौन सा color है. So let me just try and shoot it here.
Without you by my side, one time from side to side. Peekaboo, I see you, peekaboo, I see you, looking at me, looking at you.
Hi guys, so the next outfit is this one. The plus point is I do have a similar background, like you can see it here, and but I don't have that color of t-shirt. Like I don't even have that much oversized t-shirt. I just have normal t-shirts. So I decided to steal my brother's outfit yet again, but color of the t-shirt is this, and it is this one. So I'm gonna pair it with a denim shirt slash jacket, and yeah, with the open hair. Like, don't mind my hair, it has been acting very weird lately. So yeah, let's just click pictures. This was it for the video. I hope I did justice with whatever I did. Like, yeah, I tried my best. Also, I love dressing up videos. I love recreating outfits. So yeah, a lot of dressing up videos are coming up. So stay tuned, guys.